Hello everybody, welcome to my video on unboxing the iPhone 8. So this is the box. As you can see, I haven't yet removed the wrapping. We're going to be doing that in this video. This shows you the spec of the iPhone 8 that I bought. I bought the 256GB version. I live in Portugal and it cost just over €1,000. You can tell that it's the iPhone 8 and not the iPhone 7 because of this reflective separator right here. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you what it's like to unbox the iPhone 8. So guys, thank you for watching the video so far. I thought I would speed this bit up just to show you how I set up the iPhone. I decided not to put background music in this video because I really enjoyed listening to all of the different sounds that come from when you open the iPhone and when you lift all the plastic off and stuff, and I thought people would enjoy that. But this bit I decided to speed up because it took me quite a long time, which is why I'm now doing this voiceover. I actually decided to set up my phone as a new iPhone so that I could back it up from my laptop. The reason for that was that the software on the actual brand new iPhone wasn't up to date, so it wouldn't actually let me back it up from my laptop straight off. And I suddenly realised I hadn't actually given you a tour of the phone, so I'm doing it now. So this was the bit where, to my surprise, I had to actually update the brand new software on the brand new iPhone. But anyway, after I'd updated that and turned off Find My iPhone, I was then able to link it up to my iTunes account and restore my iPhone. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye!